React is a JavaScript library which was created at Facebook. In March 2013, React was made open source. Later, React has been extended with React Native. React Native is a tool that allows you to create native mobile applications. For every tool, there is a documentation. So does React. You can visit the React documentation in the website ReactJS.org. React is used by major companies like Twitter, Netflix, Microsoft, and many other. Now, why do so many companies use React? It's not because it's popular. It's because it's fun and easy to use. Its component architecture makes it really simple, fast, and easy to use and build amazing products for the web and even for the native applications. Before we even get started, let's set up the development environment. Let's see how we can install React developer tools in Chrome. So you can open the Chrome browser here and you can look for Web Store. And in the Web Store, you can look for React developer tools. Okay, you can see this one, and you can simply click on this and then click on Add to Chrome. Now we want this to be available in the title bar here or in the main bar here. So just click on this one and you can see that we have React developer tools. I'm just going to pin this. So this will be available every time I open the Chrome browser. Now let's go to the React.js website. And now you can see that this tool here is activated. You can right click and select the inspect element. I'm going to put this down and you can see that we have a section here called components. You can click on that one and here you'll be able to see all the components which is being used in React. React tools are also available for Firefox. So just open Firefox and then look for add-ons. And you can select the Firefox add-ons from the mozilla.org and we're going to look for React developer tools. Click on Add to Firefox. Click on Add. Now here you can see that it's been added, but it's in gray colors. That means it is not activated yet. So you can go to React.js main website. Now you can see that React is activated. So in order to check this, you can right click here and click on inspect. I can minimize this and here you can see that we have a component section. If I click on this one, I can see the same thing which was available in Chrome. The same thing is available in the Firefox too.